All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer itself. See what is happening with ICP and of course what is yet to come. Shout out to the internet computer family, for showing tremendous amount of love. I apologize, it's really hard, to give you guys, these updates on a regular basis, but I always try my best to work out different strategies to make everyone happy. But this time around, I'm going to try my absolute best for the true internet computer analysis lovers, which there are quite a few of you. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Again, if you want to see it, do show me that you guys want to see more of these updates by smashing that like button down below and hitting that red subscribe button. But yeah, let's get right into it and really see what is happening with ICP. So looking across the board, and again, if you do follow my channel on a regular basis, you guys know what's happening for the broader market. But if not, we'll talk about what's really happening with the broader market. Right now, if you can see, things might look absolutely amazing. You're seeing quite a bit of green. Quant having one of the best days in quite a while, up 17.3%. Some good news coming out of QNT as well. But this might seem like a great day. But what if I told you not so fast? Looking at ICP, it's up 3% right now. Obviously, a green day. We're not going to obviously complain. Price is sitting at $7.33, also up 2.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 3.45 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $52 million. But I'm starting to notice something specifically about internet computer that's quite interesting that I wanted to share with you guys. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off with our good old friend Bitcoin dominance. Of course, this is one of the main factors that is causing this green day. I've said this in a lot of my other updates if you did end up watching, but if not, we'll go over that. And if you've been a new subscriber, if you've been here from the beginning, you guys know this is one of the most important tools that I use, which is the dominance index. It shows you more than you can even imagine. Some people, of course, can argue that dominance isn't great, but I can sit with you all day long telling you that the dominance is one of the most important tools that you can look at as far as the markets are concerned. So you can really see dominance has pretty much been going down quite sharply since September 4th after retesting that key resistance at 57.7%. And falling this sharply is one of the major reasons as to why you're seeing altcoins seeing the moves that they're seeing over the course of the last 24 hours. Because as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin hasn't made a major move. Bitcoin is in very critical levels, to be quite frank with you. So Bitcoin could actually go even lower, but the fact is money is flowing from Bitcoin into the altcoins right now. When that does tend to happen, dominance tends to go down, and that's what you're noticing right now. So as far as dominance is concerned, looking great, but as far as BTC is concerned, obviously not so much. But with that said, dominance could pick up like this in a snap. Because look what happened back in August. We saw dominance going all the way from 57.7% to this level and shot back up. So you could pretty much treat this being on the verge of another breakout. So let's not get super excited. That's why we're not getting too excited right now. As far as ICP price is concerned, though, I want to show you guys something very interesting. So first and foremost, you guys know I've been quite clear on this. We're in the bear market zone for ICP. Even though the broader market is in a bull market right now, we are in a bear market zone for ICP. Why do I say that? Because of course, as I've said to you guys before, as long as the price is below $9.74, we're not in the bull trend. You can see this for yourself. We did get back above there on July, but August we saw this move back to $8.94, but never managed to make its way back above. But this can be said about the broader market. You're seeing high amounts of volatility for the broader market. But what I really wanted to share with you guys that's quite interesting is, despite so much volatility, looks like the ICP has kind of found a ground for itself. Of course, you can come out and say, well, what about the wick all down to $5.80? What about $6.38? But pretty much those wicks do not last too long, as you guys know. They have bought back up quite quickly. If you look at it both different times, this is due to the initial market reaction, but gets bought back up very quickly. But you're looking at ICP pretty much finding a ground for itself at the $6.85. And if you kind of go back to 2022 levels, this is a huge level of support. So I'm very impressed. So could this really mean that, ICP is ready to blast off once the market kind of stabilizes? Because let me tell you, due to the volatility that you're seeing for the broader market, ICP is pretty much founding a nice ground for itself. And I'm going to be quite frank with you. If that was not the case, you guys know I'm going to keep it 100% straight up with you. But so far, so good. And I do believe once the market kind of stabilizes, and maybe the interest rate cuts do happen, that could trigger a little bit of a relief within the markets. I'm expecting ICP to get back in this range quite fast. And sometimes chart speaks for itself. And right now, specifically, ICP's chart is starting to speak to me again. And that's just what I personally think. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. But so far, so good. I'm impressed. But we're going to take it one step at a time. But at the end of the day, this is my own personal opinion, not financial advice. Do let me know your personal thoughts. Love each and every one of you guys. And again, if you want to see more of these updates, smash that like button. And of course, let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.